everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is yet again a very exciting video. If you guys are new content creators or if you guys are more into making short videos or anything of that sort, a tripod is a basic necessity for making such kind of videos or for taking pictures altogether. If you love self-portraits, if you love taking your own pictures, so I think that investing in a good tripod is very important. So this video is all about that because I just purchased a new tripod for I am planning on to do a vlogging channel as well. So please don't forget to comment down below as to what you guys think about my new idea. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So the packaging, however, came like this. This is how the packaging looked like, and it came in a separate box. I thought that a box would be huge, but then it's okay. So let's just open the box. So this is how the whole thing came all together. So it was very nicely wrapped. My brother just took away the bubble wrap. If there was a bubble wrap all over it, so you don't need to worry about breakage or whatsoever. So this is the first part. So this is where you attach your phone. So this is how this thing comes, and you attach your phone. It's like a very sturdy clip. Now it is of plastic material, but it's very hard. It's very sturdy, I have to say, because I was really worried about the flimsiness of this. If at all the holder is not of a good quality, how will it hold a phone? Now everybody has different kinds of phone. It may be an iPhone, it may be OnePlus, it may be several kinds of phone, but all phones are expensive. So holder is very important, and it is important for the holder to be very sturdy so that it can hold the weight of it. So this is how the elasticity is. It's very strong. It's very strong. So there's a hole here, so you can just tuck it over and you can just put your phone in this way, like wide angle, and there's a hole here also. So there are several different ways, whichever angle you want to take videos or you want to take photos, 90-degree angle, 180-degree angle or whatsoever, you can just do wonders with this. So let's just come to the tripod part. So this is going to be a very short video, but please do let me know as to how you found out this kind of video, because that's very important for me to know what you guys are thinking about, your opinion and everything. So it came in a packaging like this. So this is how the tripod looks like. So this is what I was talking about. So over here you can attach it like this, or you can attach it like this, whatsoever way you want it. So it all depends on what you want. So the tripod is very sturdy, I have to say. Now for this kind of a tripod, I think that this is called a Gorilla tripod, if I'm not wrong. And if I'm wrong, then please do comment down below as to what it's called, but I think that it is called a Gorilla tripod, and this is mainly used for vlogging. Now I am thinking of opening a vlogging channel as well, so do let me know what you guys think about it, but I'll definitely open it once this channel hits 1k subscribers. So lots and loads of ideas I have, but I just have to get my channel to 1000 subscribers soon, and a lot more giveaways are coming. So this is how the tripod looks like. It's very flexible, as you guys can see. You can bend it accordingly, bend it to whatever surface you are on. Say suppose you have a very small compact space and you don't have that much surface, in whichever angle you want to shoot, you can shoot it. कोई भी वो इतना ज़्यादा headache का काम नहीं होता, because वो जो tripod, the one which I'm shooting on right now, it's a very straightforward kind of a tripod. It can't bend the way you want it. So this is kind of tripod which you can bend it accordingly. You can place it wherever you want, wherever you want. That is the most important thing of a tripod. I feel that it is going to stay with me for the longest time. If I'm shooting with my phone, if I'm shooting with my DSLR, whatsoever, it's gonna stay. And I feel that for the price point, and I obviously purchased it during the Great Indian Amazon sale. So I don't know, I'll definitely mention a screenshot as to what is the price currently, and I'll mention as to what I have paid for it. So now the bottom part, these 3 stands are very sturdy. मतलब ये कोई भी surface पे ये टिकेगा. It's not that कि ये this will fall down or this won't stand. So the surface is also very sturdy. If you will be able to see, just check. This is how the surface is. And ये जो बीच में जो beads है ना, it almost looks like small balls, kind of small kind of balls. I hope that I'm being able to show it to you guys. These are like small kind of balls which you can fold it accordingly. Like it almost looks like an octopus to me. So that was it. If you guys are interested, all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. And this is such a sturdy. Now I feel that I will be vlogging a lot more with this kind of a tripod, and it's so handy. It's not, this one is very huge and it's heavy. You can't hold it with one hand. It's not at all possible. So this is one thing which you can hold it with one hand and talk. So it's very useful. I feel that for the tripod stand and for this one, these two things are very useful if you're planning on to take self portraits, take any like self pictures, and do some vlogging, make some short videos, or it's not that ki fashion video he create karna hai. There are loads and loads of kind of videos. You can make your own art videos, your own DIY videos, if you plan on to purchase, and if you plan on to make an Instagram store where you showcase your own artwork. So it can be used in so many different ways, and it's just one great product which you can invest your money on. That was it for today's video. I do really hope that all of you guys found this video informative, found this video helpful. If you are planning to purchase a tripod which would be helpful for you to take pictures, for you to make videos, like whatsoever, you can fit your phone. And I think that phone is such a versatile product right now that everybody has it in their hands and everybody wants to do several kind of things with their phone. So I think that phone is the most versatile thing. The tripod which I am shooting with right now is like a huge tripod. It's for my DSLR camera to fit in, but the tripod which I got from Amazon, so this one is like currently to fit in your mobile. So I do really hope that you guys have found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comment section down below. I will be eager. And if you guys haven't participated in the giveaway video yet, I will mention it somewhere on the screen, and I'll also mention it in the description box down below. So the price and everything will be mentioned in the description box down below. Please don't forget to check that out. And a lot more upcoming giveaways are coming on my channel, so please stay tuned. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.